In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a PDF file in your mobile from any pictures or any documents within 1 minute and a single click. So let's get started. What's up guys, Jam is here and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, explore my content, and if it feel interesting, then definitely do subscribe for more. And today we are talking about how you can make a PDF file in your mobile from any pictures or any documents. So first of all, to do that you need an application, and here my favorite application is Adobe Scan because it is totally free and lots of options are here. And according to the current situation, making PDF file is become a really important thing because now lots of exams and also official works are become online method, or you can say work from home. So you have to make some PDF in home from any pictures or any documents. So that's become a really important thing. And lots of exams are also happening in online method. So now you have to scan all the answer script, then convert them in a single PDF file to submit in college or university. So that's also become a really important thing. So I'll show each and every steps one by one, so keep watching the video. So now download the Adobe Scan app. I will give the link in the description, and it is available on both Android and iOS, so you don't need to worry about it. Now let's see how to convert some papers into a PDF file. First, take pictures of all pages you need. When you're taking pictures, make sure that this blue line is aligned all the four corners of the paper. So it will automatically crop all the pictures. You don't need to do it manually. After taking pictures, you can reorder all the images according to the page number. You can crop the images manually if you don't do it automatically. Lots of options are here. You will learn all the things by using it. Now if you've done all the editing, rename the file and save as a PDF. That's the whole process. And if you already have some pictures in your gallery and want to convert them into a PDF file, that is also a very easy process. From here, select all the pictures you need and then add them in this app, and edit all the photos if you need to do. Then save as PDF, and that's it. If you want to share it, you can directly do that from here, so that's also very convenient. So that's the whole process, how simply you can make a PDF file out of some pictures or some documents. It's a really easy process. So this is all about the video. Hope that you learned something from this video about how you can make some papers or some pictures into PDF file. It's a really simple process and really easy method. And if you have any queries, please do comment. It will be my pleasure to reply you. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, and the sub will be really amazing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.